Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to discuss about the Bill 60. Okay, that has been proposed. It hasn't become a law yet. Okay, this has been proposed by Doug Ford's government in order to streamline LTB and tenancy changes. So there has been a demand for various years now to speed up LTB. Okay, because of delays in passing orders and scheduled hearing, a lot of innocent people suffer, mostly from the landlord side, but also from the tenant sides too. Because there are people who know how to take advantage of the system, till system delays, I should say. Now the changes have been proposed, but a lot of people are really scared because some of them have, according to the people or public opinion, gone beyond the actual purpose and could make people vulnerable. So what these are, I'm going to discuss some important points and also I'm going to discuss my opinion too. And I would request you to write down your opinion too at the end so that we can really find out what exactly is going on. So a point is about lease renewal. Okay. So basically what happens is, like, in Ontario, leases never expire. Like for example, if you sign a 1 year lease, then at end of the tenancy, it automatically gets converted to month by month. Okay. So what the proposed changes, like it is gonna give this power to the landlord that whether they wanna renew or they wanna end. Okay. So according to the government, or you can say government rationale is that this will give more flex because more power and more flexibility is going to be given to the landlords. They may find it as an encouragement to supply more rental units into the market, which is true up to an extent. But yes, what I believe is that it will spike uh, evictions depending upon the market, not in this market when rental prices are going down, but in a growing market. If a landlord finds that the value of tenancy is higher than what the current tenant is paying, they may decide to end the tenancy at the lease and spike the cost. This will make tenant vulnerable, although the tenant could be a very good tenant paying all the bills, maintaining the house. So I think this needs to be what do you call reconsidered. Okay, there should be certain circumstances under which it can be, but not ordinarily. It should be. Okay. Next is N12 eviction. So current rule is like landlord must give minimum 60 days notice plus 1 month rent compensation. Now, as per the new, like they should give like if a landlord is giving 120 days or more uh, notice, they don't have to pay 1 month compensation. Okay, so this I support. Yeah, this I support. If it's a genuine and 12, I support this. And this can be applied only after the initial tenancy term is over, not in between. Like it's not that somebody leased your property for 1 year and after 2 months you give this notice to them. That's not gonna be. Now rent control we have. Okay. Now so that 2018 rule still applies. I don't have to go. Now notice for a non-payment of rent and for that is called. So here it's like 14 days. Okay. Before filing to the LTP. But according to the new rule, landlord can do it in 7 days. So this is again something I support because why not give landlords like some leverage to get the hearing faster. Now the government rationale is that this will speed up LTP processing, but I don't think so. You know why? Because well, initially it will increase the number of applications that reach the LTB. So I really don't understand how it will speed up LTB processing. In my opinion, it may have like no to medium impact towards the negative processing time. I believe the way LTP processing can be faster is to provide them enough resources, more judges, uh, more adjudicators, more resources, and especially I believe more clerks, so that orders can be dispatched on same day or right away after the hearing. If those things can be made, I think that will speed up. Okay, if we have those options available, that will instead speed up. But yes, I do support this 7 days, because land like a tenant for falls behind rent, but still can then get away with this. But if a landlord falls behind on mortgage, are they gonna get any leverage from their mortgage provider for 7 days or 14 days? Absolutely not. So I think this point I support. Appeal and review periods. Now tenants have 30 days to file appeal review, reduced to 15 days. So again, I don't know how it uh, I mean, okay, I'll describe it in a different way. So when it comes to faster processing, I don't think it will be, because again, so many cases will reach, but at the same time, it is good also. The reason why I'm saying it good is because lot of expert or professional tenants take benefit of this. Like, they don't attend the hearings although they are aware, and once they get an order, they file for review, and then they can further extend the hearing for few months. So with this, it's definitely gonna help. But again, I think the best one option is to like increase the resources. That will help. Next, they have proposed changes like tenant issues notice. Like, as per now, they can raise new issues during hearings, but now they want it to be notified in advance. Okay, of any issue they want to raise. This I support. Like, because everyone should get fair option to defend pro or prove their own point. So this I support. Okay. So these were some major points that I discussed. There are more too, but I don't think that are so much important, especially for mom and pop landlords. So this is what I believe should happen, and I also discussed my opinion. In if I summarize, certain points I do support, certain points I do not, but I strongly believe increasing resources at LTB are gonna good thing. So let me know guys what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel.